Every TRW part has 4 levels of testing, technical, audit review before approval is given, including endurance testing of 500k cycles. Made with thermoplastic to increase flexibility and avoid cracking, providing a superior lifespan. Low friction design restores steering and suspension systems back to their original operating performance. For confirmed fitment of this TRW automotive rack and pinion mount bushing, please verify your vehicle with the Amazon Check Fit option. Fits: Toyota 4Runner, 1996 to 2002, Toyota Tacoma, 1995 to 2005. TRW JTC1000 Premium Control Arm is designed to include OE quality hardware, installation accessories, and the latest high-performance designs and OE quality materials. TRW's range of control arms meets all OE standards for quality and performance. Safety matters: superior OE-grade chassis parts from the global leader in automotive safety systems that meet or exceed OE performance. All our chassis parts are always tested to the extreme on the road and in the laboratory. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fur. It had everything to complete the job with your stock hardware. Simple installation for anyone that has basic mechanical ability.